thing I smoke and all everything I drink.
What?
Any, you know?
What?
Any.
Are you buy that? Are you buy that? Born for any. Born for any. Born for any. When you say any CFT?
Any CFT.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Da da dee da dong dong dang young wing dang young wing bang bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up all yourself. You don't know, so the attacking bosses here, the one and only. It's NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So, hi boy. Judge sees, judge knows. Why, people? Let's see that look a piece of video up on the front part there. Yeah, man. See, you know who that now? And the man that, you know, what them say now, go come and go roll up with the dummy piece now, my people. And say him gonna attack the Beryllium security guard something, my people. And boy, the security them take no heed, my people. No threat, my people. And them beat it up on him right over the inner Morant Bay, St.Thomas. Judge sees, judge knows. So yesterday, my people, which was Wednesday, May the 10th, 2023, my people, shots fired, shots beat up. So everybody who run the surrounding up a Morant Bay, they know, my people, where this happen. Them have to see something big going on in like one big robbery against the people, are scatter people, are run security, are run too. Because even when them beating up on him, them are running on my people because them not take, not chat, and them are say, yo, next thing this. But my people, on a real level, the sound release and say, yo, the man was a madman. He was a junkie. The video alone can't tell us, say, boy, my headpiece that looks so good, my people. But boy, it seemed like the headpiece, they want a good lead him to something different, my people. It seemed like the headpiece, they want a good. They ready for say, boy, this is time, you do your time, and you need to go home. And I'm gonna bring you right home right now, my people. And see it there. You understand? See it there, my people. So whether junk him junk, or him head no good, him brain cell no good, my people, you have to all understand. I've seen where some people take it for fun and them take it for joke and say, yo, go mad people who can't kill, and when the real shotters them come and can't kill them. Don't look at that. Don't look at it that way. You understand? Think about it. Yes, I do understand. Say, yeah, them a guard money and them a protect money and them a security this with them big old strap and this and that. But you notice most of these things will happen. It happen unexpectedly. Yes, them for prepare. You understand? But these killers, remember, you know, a lot of these people who are do these things in these robbery, and I know some look normal boy when in the street and just have some peace, you know. Them are ex-shooters, ex-trainers, them, you understand? Them are some normal set of people. Remember me tell you, I know some normal set of people that carry out these things, my people. So when you do see things like this, you have to think and you have to wonder. See? But unfortunately, my people, boy, Mr. Man do up a Morant Bay, my people, boy. Him dash him 3 pints. Dash it away, throw it away, fling it away, my people. And right now, ice. Him dep on ice. Both backs are wait for him. 6 foot, 6 foot 6. Yes. Gone. So, on a real of my people, as I do the first vlog, and I said, my people, say, I cannot blame the security guard them. I can't attack them, my people. All me have to say is, them have to protect themselves, my people. You understand that them life, you know? Them have to protect money, but them life also, my people, because we have seen where security lose them life during the whole thing we are going on, how much of them chuck here get robbed and security do lose them life. So, the man them can't just today and not play a blind eye to everything, my people. You understand? I mean, yo, Jaja see, Jaja knows the people. But when I don't know the thing, I want team and my people, and I want dream, and I want scheme, and I want attacking boss. And I mean, say attack my people. So just big up on yourself, stay safe and continue to do the right thing, my people. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on the Instagram, something there. Follow me on the Facebook, something there. Follow me on the Twitter, something there, my people. You don't know, wanna stay safe out there. Continue to do the right thing, my people, and just be good be great and be safe. Attack them NEWLINK. Peace out, my people. Blessings. Big up. Attack.